Picture a hacker sneaking into a company's network. Sensitive data is at risk, and the clock is ticking. The person that steps in is a cybercrime investigator. In this role, you'll use a mix of tech, intuition, and detective work to make sense of the chaos and track down the perpetrators. And what if a single insight you uncover stops a billion-dollar breach? Today, we're exploring the role in more detail, including what you can expect from the position. Cybercrime investigation involves reviewing logs, following alerts, and investigating digital forensics. Each log, each network anomaly, each piece of malware is a clue. Your job is to assemble them into a coherent story of what happened, how it happened, and who might be responsible. You will collaborate with law enforcement, IT teams, and compliance officers to turn insights into action. Now, let's imagine a typical day. Mornings often start with incident briefings. Maybe overnight, alerts flagged unusual login attempts or a suspicious file triggered malware detection. You dive in, piece together timelines, and figure out which leads are credible. By mid-morning, you switch gears into strategist mode. You are in meetings with IT or operations teams deciding what actions to take. This is where your ability to translate technical data into real-world decisions really shines. Then comes hands-on investigative work. Afternoons are often spent digging into forensic tools, recovering deleted files, tracing the source of malware, or decrypting suspicious traffic while reconstructing the chain of events. It's an exercise in critical thinking and patience. So by late in the day, you're ready to turn outward again. You're preparing reports for stakeholders, maybe even law enforcement or legal teams. Clear documentation ensures that evidence holds up in court and guides future security strategies. As threats evolve, you're always learning, adjusting, and staying one step ahead. So what does it take to succeed in this world? You must know networks, operating systems, and cybersecurity fundamentals as the baseline. Coding skills, Python, Bash, PowerShell give you extra leverage to dig deeper. But technical skill alone isn't enough. You need curiosity, sharp analytical thinking, and strong communication skills. Spotting patterns others miss, connecting unrelated incidents, and explaining findings in plain language is what sets the best investigators apart. To enter this field, you'll need a degree in cybersecurity, computer science, or information systems. Certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker, GIAC Certified Forensic Analyst, or CompTIA Sci SA+ add credibility. And hands-on experience with labs, internships, or side projects is essential. Learning by doing is extremely valuable. Once you build your skills and knowledge, you might seek a position in any number of industries. Cybercrime investigators aren't just needed in law enforcement. Every industry from finance to healthcare to tech needs experts to secure networks, investigate breaches, and prevent attackers before they escalate. Here's a peek into the future. AI and machine learning are transforming this field. Investigators who combine human intuition with AI-powered pattern recognition are becoming indispensable. Imagine AI flagging suspicious activity instantly while you follow the trail, interpret the context, and decide on next steps. That's human judgment amplified by technology. That kind of capability changes the game. It positions you to not just respond to attacks, but predict and prevent them, shaping the defense of tomorrow. Your impact in this job is concrete. Every breach you prevent, every vulnerability you uncover, and every system you secure protects individuals, businesses, and critical infrastructure. It's high stakes, meaningful, and continuously evolving. A career that's as challenging as it is rewarding. Here are some hands-on ways to get started. Try a quick guided project like Metasploit for beginners, ethical penetration testing, or enroll in a career-boosting program like the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Check out the links in the description to begin. If you're ready to mix tech, strategy, and detective work, this is your moment. Stay curious, keep learning, and you could be leading the charge against the next big cyber threat.